Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious Afang soup or Okazi soup as you may call it. If this video is interesting to you, keep watching. I'm starting out with neatly washed meat. Next, I'm going to be adding onions and then I'll be adding maggi, pepper, all the spices that is needed. These very spices, I have made a video about it before. I'm going to be leaving the link at the top of this video. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it. Try it, Omo. You will come back and tell me thank you. Guys, once I'm done, I'm going to mix it up and then cover it to boil. Next, I'll start picking up my water leaf. So if you live abroad, getting water leaf is very hard, difficult because water leaf to come from Nigeria, they hard sometimes. So you can also use spinach. I don't know that I pronounce in French. You can also use it. Well, I haven't tried yet before, but some people say it always come out nice as well. So I'm just going to pick up this water leaf. The water leaf is very tiny. It's just pissing me off to pick. This Afang soup is very popular in Akwa Ibom and Cross River State. I was born and brought up there anyway. So whenever you go to their party, this is what they are going to serve you. When they are celebrating their New Yam festival, they are going to serve you. Okazi soup is their main soup. So guys, this is the Okazi I'm going to be using. Is dry Okazi. I'm just going to soak it in the water. Back to the meat, I think it's okay for me at this point. I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir, remove the meat, put them in the air fryer, and then air fry it. You know, on this channel, I love eating dry meat. So guys, as I was saying, Calabar and Akwa Ibom people, this is their main delicacy. Like when you go to Igbo land, you have bitter leaf soup, you have abacha. In any occasion you attend in Cross River State or in Calabar, this Afang soup is their main delicacy. Next, I'm going to be adding my dry fish. Remember the dry fish I did one certain time on this platform? I'm going to be leaving the link at the top of this video. I'm going to allow it to steam for about 7 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding my oil. You know, oil for abroad, they always sleep now. You know, the day like Nigeria or anyway. Next, I'm adding my spices, my maggi and pepper. I'm going to give it a little bit of stir. Then I'm going to be adding my water leaf. Some people say you need to add the okazi first before water leaf. Whichever one that goes in first is still going to come out nice. I give it a little bit of stir. And then next I'm going to be adding the okazi itself. So guys, as you can see, I blended this Okazi. I soaked it in water for about 10 minutes and then wash it neatly, put it in the blender and blend it. Because it's dry, if you don't blend it, you are not going to like it that much. So guys, some people don't like to wash Okazi. They said if you wash the Okazi, the soup is not going to taste nice. Like dirty, they make food sweet different. Well, I prefer to wash all my vegetable. I wash it very neatly before I cook. So do whatever pleases you anyway. So I'm just going to turn it and then stir it a bit and then cover it to steam again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to give it a little bit of stir and then start adding the leftover ingredients. So I'm going to be adding smoked fish. Guys, if you notice on this platform, I eat smoked fish a lot. I also have a video on how I made my smoked fish at home. I'll leave the link at the top of this video. Next, I'm adding crayfish. I'm going to give it a little bit of stir. This soup now also stir full amu. Anyway, we move. I'll stir it and then next I'm going to be adding the dry meat. So guys, if you want the meat you're using to cook to taste like wow, go and watch the video on how I made the spices I am using to parboil my meat. Anyone that tastes your food, oh my God, they will come back for more. Your food will be out of this world. So as you can see, I've added the meat. I'm giving it a little bit of stir. Then I'll cover it to steam for another 2 minutes. The soup don't done, but I just want the ingredients to go into the meat. Though I would taste very well. So guys, I'm testing for salt. I feel like I needed to add more pepper and salt. I added the pepper and salt, give it another stir, and then at this time, I'm going to leave it to steam for another 2 minutes, like I said. I'm just going to stir it a little bit at this point. Test for salt. At this point, I feel it is okay. I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam for another 2 minutes. So at this point, looking at this soup now, you know it is ready. This soup can be eaten with pounded yam, it can be eaten with akpu, semo, gari, name them. Alright guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. See you all on my next recipe. Bye.